2D view creation, view layout, standard view, and projection view. This video will guide us how to create the default 2D view, including view layout, standard view, and projection view. Firstly, check Configuration Settings. Click 2D tab. Set Automatic View Layout as the default auto-launch view creation command. Click OK to apply the setting. This is a 3D model with 3D dimensions and annotations. Click 2D Sheet icon and select the sheet standard. Click OK to enter 2D sheet level and get the view layout preview. We can change the projection mode from third angle to first angle. Add more views to layout if needed. Check Inherent PMI option and click OK to finish the view layout with PMI has been created. If the default auto-launch view command is standard view. When creating a 2D sheet from the part, the first default view is a standard view. During the view creation, we can select the different preview mode, graphic, or attribute. In attribute form, we can get physical attribute, such as mass or area. Select a suitable view as the standard view. More view settings are available, such as different display mode and visibility of lines. View scale can be customized. At last, pick a point to locate the view. Then create the projection views from this standard view. Next, we will learn how to create standard view with different configuration. In this part, there are two configurations. Create a sheet. Select Default Part Configuration and Advanced Setting. Pick a point to place the view. We can see the standard view with a hole on it. Create another sheet. Firstly, create a standard view. Change the part configuration with the one without hole. This time, the hole has been removed.